Hello dear students, this is the video of class 6 and in this video I am going to discuss about chapter number 9 Introduction to QBasic. So as you know that in the previous class children we have discussed the following topics. I have already discussed about starting QBasic, how you can start, how you can install and how you can start. Then I have also discussed about components of a QBasic, that is title bar, menu bar, name of the current program, work area, status bar and immediate window. So in this class I will discuss creating a new program in QBasic. Then I will discuss executing a program, saving a program and opening a saved program. Okay, so let's see how to create a new program. To create a new program, we follow the following steps. Click on the file menu. Step 2, click on the new option. Step 3, we start writing the statement or program in QBasic. And step 4, select the run menu from the menu bar and then click start option. So you can see I'm opening a QBasic program. I have already installed a QBasic program. You can see, you can visit to the website www.softpedia.com and you will search for Windows and you will download QBasic for Windows operating system. After that, you will get this type of code, this type of file in your system. Okay, this type of compressed file will be downloaded in your system. Now what you have to do, right click and click on extract here. You will get the file and I have got this file here, and now double click on qbdos.exe. It will be installed in your system. After installing, its icon will be generated on the desktop. Okay, so I have already double click on the icon, it will open. I have already opened this QBasic in my system. Now you can see the steps how you can start a new program. Click on the file menu and click on the new option. So first you have to click on the file menu and click on the new option. Okay, so I have already opened this. Now what you have to do, now here we start writing the statement of the program in QBasic, and after writing you have to click on the run menu and then click on start button, click on start option. So how you can write the program? Suppose you have to print welcome message, you have to print the welcome message. You will write print and then in double inverted comma, double quotation mark, you will write any statement which you want to print. Suppose you will write welcome to the programming world. Okay, you have written this statement. Now you have to execute this statement. Execute means you have to run the statement. Click on run. Click on a start option. You will see the output. Welcome to the programming world. You can see two more outputs, welcome and then 15. That was the earlier output. I have already tested this program. Now, press any key to continue. You have to press any key. Suppose any another output is coming. You have to clear that output. What you will write? You will write CLS. CLS is the clear command. It will clear the screen. Then again run it. The screen will be clear and only your output will be displayed. Click on start. You can see only your output is displayed, the output of your program. Again press any key to continue. Now I am deleting CLS. Now suppose you have to assign any number and print its value. You can write print x. X is the variable in which you will assign any number, x equals to 5. Okay, now you will see the output. Click on run, click on start. It is showing again the second output. It is showing welcome to the programming world, and it is showing 0. Now you have to press any key. Now again you will write print z, print x. Suppose you want to print, you have assigned some value in x, and now you want to print x. Okay, now you should write CLS so that the earlier output will be erased. Okay, now you can click on run. You will see no value of the digit is printed. So you can add some values. You can take another value. You can assign another variable y. Okay, y equals to 10. Suppose you have assigned y equals to 10. So in QBasic, first you have to assign the value. Don't write print. First you have to assign the value of x. X equals to 5. You will write x equals to 5. And then you can print the value of x. Let's see what happened. This is a programming language. Whatever instruction you will give to the computer, it will follow the same instruction. Now you can click on run, start. Now its value has been printed. You can see its value has been printed. Press any key. So first you have to initialize the value of any variable. Suppose you are inserting any digit in x. Okay, we have inserted 5 in the variable x. Now we have printed the value of x. Suppose I have initialized another variable y equals to 10. Okay, now I have to print the value of both the variables. Okay, I want to print the addition of x plus y. So we can write print x plus y. You will see what happens. Computer will add both the numbers, print x plus y. Okay, now computer will add both the numbers. It will do the addition x plus y. Now click on run, click on start. Duplicate definition. Oh, sorry. There is the error. So it is showing the error also. Due to error, it is not running. So you have to, I have written y minus 10. That's why it is showing the error. You have to write y equals to 10. Now print x plus y. So addition will be done by the computer. Click on start. Here you can see the result is 15. So what computer has added both the values. Okay, in QBasic we have written a small program, and in this program we have initialized two variables x and y, and at last we have added both the values x plus y. Okay, and this is the CLS, means this is a clear screen command. It will clear the screen of the previous value, and then it will print a welcome message, welcome to the programming world, and then two variables has been assigned x and y, and both the variables value has been added here, and the result has been printed here. Understood? So this is a small program, and I hope you have learned this program, children. Now coming to the next topic. Executing a program. Executing means running a program. So just now you have seen how to run a program. Click on run. After writing the program, click on run, click on start. It will run. Okay. So executing a program means running a program. A program is executed to get its output. Executing a program is also called running a program, and to execute a program, we click on run and then click on start. So you have learned a sample program in QBasic, students, and you have also learned how to print welcome message, how to print any message in your computer, and you have learned how to add two values inside a QBasic program. So I hope you have learned all the things in this video, children. Okay, bye. Have a nice day, children.